Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on time and whenever you are coming across my video. You are welcome back to my channel. You are highly welcome to OC Hair Lounge, a channel where will bring to you latest and amazing hairstyles. So if you are coming across my channel for the very first time, please do well to subscribe and remember to turn on your bell notification so that you don't miss out on our next upload. So on this channel we got you covered for hairstyles, different braids, unique hairstyles. We got them on the channel. Subscribe and turn on your bell notification so you don't miss out on our next upload. Thank you so much as you do that. So my ladies, on today's video we have quick and easy ponytail hairstyles for gorgeous ladies. Latest and stunning ponytail hairstyles for beautiful ladies. We have a lot of beautiful styles, inspirations you can pick from there. Unique designs that you don't want to miss. Just feel free to watch to the very end. So guys, as you watch through, kindly support us by giving this video a thumbs up. Support the channel by liking and sharing our videos. We will not take them for granted. Thank you so much. And if you are yet to subscribe, please subscribe. Remember to share our video to your loved ones. Share it to your family and friends. Thank you so much. Supervision is to know what you are looking for. Please feel free to go to our channel. We have other unique styles on this channel. Thank you so much and see you on our next video. Bye. Thanks for watching.